What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we finally have a production date for the Alfa Romeo B SUV that might be called the Alfa Romeo Brenner. Now, with that said, important news arrives from the Stellantis Group. According to what has been revealed in the past few hours by the Automotive News, which would have cited sources aware of the matter, the future of the Alfa Romeo B SUV would be produced in January of 2023. So with that said, the production would be carried out at the Stellantis plant in Poland, along with the other models of the group led by Carlos Tavares, which includes the Jeep Mini SUV and another compact model from Fiat. Yes, all these models would be built on the PSA Group CMP platform and will have at least one fully electric version. Now, the Alfa Romeo Brenner would be used as a new entry level for the Alfa Romeo car manufacturer range. And this model would also be the first of the historic Milanese brand to have a fully electric version. The sales should undergo a real surge, especially in Europe where the models of this type are currently the most popular. The fact that the production of the Alfa Romeo Brenner will begin in January 2023 also means that this presentation will most likely take place in the autumn of 2022 next year, about a year after the debut of the Alfa Romeo Tonale. So marketing should instead start in the first months of 2023, but that is to be said once we know more about this production. But with that said, we're getting more of a timeline of these Alfa Romeo models coming out and starting production. And now that the Tonale and the B SUV will be done with, what's next? Maybe that E-segment sports car that we talked about the other day? Hopefully we'll get something on that as well. Maybe that will come out in the same year as the 2023 Alfa Romeo B SUV. That is to be said, but at least we now have production on when that Brenner will go into the Poland plant and get debuted as a fully electric model. And what also makes it historic? Well, it's going to be on the CMP platform, which is the hybrid of the PSA FCA merger. So with that said, this is going to be a very important vehicle to see what the two brands come up with that Alfa Romeo DNA really installed in the foundation. Where's your excitement factor on the Alfa Romeo B SUV? I know everybody's kind of looking forward to the Tonale, but I guess we don't know too much about it. But with that said, do you think that Alfa Romeo needs another SUV aside the Tonale and the Stelvio? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, we'll help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we could talk about the production starting for the Alfa Romeo Brenner in 2023. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rides Patreon, be a monthly subscriber, or check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want to get a t-shirt, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides there. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. See everything I'm posting Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one Ron's Rides video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.